going to be learning about perimeter. Okay, we're going to be learning about the perimeter of shapes. Does anybody know, who can put their hand up and tell me, what is the perimeter of a shape? Does any one of you guys know? I'm going to put your hand up and tell me, what is the perimeter of a shape? Or you can type it in the chat if you're not, if you just want me to have a look at it in the chat. Okay, I'm giving you a nice big hint with the picture in front of me. Okay, but let's say, for instance, we have a shape like this lovely looking irregular quadrilateral we have here in the middle. Oh, and there goes my terrible handwriting all over again. Okay, teacher cat. Okay, now if we have a,
you know what mine looks like.
Thank you. Yes, people who live in glass houses cannot throw stones, teacher cat. Okay. Okay, it's not the number of sides, Samila, but Lwandile and Sila have the right idea. It's the sum of the sides. So basically, let's say, for instance, this is your yard at home. Okay, the outside of the shape. That is the fence around your house, right? And here's your house like that. There we go, with all the doors and the tiny little windows, right? And a tiny little doggy on the outside, woof, woof, doing its thing. Okay, now you want to know how big your yard actually is, and you want to measure, like, let's say, for instance, you guys want to buy like a ribbon that's going to go all the way around the fence of your house. What you're going to do is you're going to start at a point like over here, and you're going to measure from here all the way to there, from there all the way to there, all the way to there, and all the way to there. And then you're going to go to the shop, and let's say, for instance, this side of your house was 10 meters, and this side was 15 meters, and this side is 8 meters, and this side over here is 22 meters. You're going to add all of these up together, and you're going to go to the shop, and you're going to be like, sir, I need this much ribbon. Titelo, do you have something to add for me, my sweetie?
Ma'am, I was like about to say something, but I think I lost it. I'm not sure.
That's okay. When it comes back to you, you can put your hand up again. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are counting, or we are measuring the outside of the shape, and we're going all the way around the shape. So if I had these meters, guys, how much ribbon would I go and ask for? How much ribbon would I go to the shop and ask for? Can you guys calculate for me? How much ribbon do I need? And put that in the chat for me. Silas says 55 meters. Lwandile says 46. I wonder who's calculating how. Google it says 55. Don't forget the units, guys. Are you just going to go to the store and be like, sir, I need 55? 55 what? Thank you, teacher cat. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm getting very weird answers from everyone. Everyone's giving me a different answer. Oh, we can't say units today, Google Etu, because they actually give us what the units are. What are you going to ask? How long is the thing going to be? Asa says 55 millimeters. No, not millimeters, meters. Sure, 55 millimeters is like this tiny. No.
For your yard.
It's hardly the length of anyone's foot at this point. So no, not millimeters. Meters, definitely meters. Okay, so if I want to know how much ribbon I need to buy, I'm going to add all of this up. I'm going to go 10 meters plus 15 meters plus 8 meters plus 22 meters. And that's how much ribbon I'm going to go ask for when I go to the shop. I'm going to calculate 32, 42, 47, 55 meters. Good. 55 meters. Okay. And that's how we calculate for the perimeter. And when we express perimeter, guys, we always write a big letter P. So every time I ask you guys to answer a question on perimeter for me, in the chat, you guys are going to say P is equal to, and then you're going to give me the number, and you're going to give me the units that it comes in with. Okay. Oh, yes, it's not a 1, Lodile, it's a 10. Sorry, my handwriting is not 100%. Okay, can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? How are we feeling about calculating perimeter? I think it's pretty simple. I see that thumbs up. Bokan gives me a in his video. Thanks, Bokan. I see you. Awesome. Awesome, guys. Amazing. Now we have to put this to practice because we can't just be like, no. All right, let's do numbers 1 and 2. Now, remember, guys, when we're calculating them and you're putting your answer in the chat for me, you need to go P and big letter P, not small letter P, big letter P. Small letter P doesn't mean anything, only big letter P. And as I say it, Sila puts a small letter P in the chat. P is equal to, and do not forget the number and the units. Sila, let's try again, my sweetie. Big capital letter P, please. Capital letter P. Give me the answers for number 1 and for number 2. Thank you, Ase. Good. P is equal to. Very well done, guys. This one is easy, I think. Sila, be careful. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, you got it right the first time. I wonder how we got it wrong the second time, though. Excellent, guys. All right, so we can see here that our square is being measured in centimeters. So that means our unit has to be centimeters. Now, if my ribbon is over here, if I start over here and I want to measure how much ribbon I need, I'm going to go all the way around. That's 10 centimeters. Plus 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 10 is 40. And then I have to go P is equal to 40 centimeters. And Titel is like miles ahead of you guys. She's already doing number 2. Okay, Sila, I see you now. Excellent stuff. Very well done. Okay. Well done, guys. Luandile, you're saying number 2 is equal to 44. No. Let's try that again. Well done, Ase, Iminati, Guguletu. Check again your answer for me, my sweetie. There's an equals missing, and there's like, it just says 2P 44 centimeters. I'm not sure where we're going with that. Teacher Cat, can you please change Patricia to Sam? Sally, big letter P for me, please. I don't know how it happened. Okay, good. I can see everybody's got the idea here. Big letter P, thank you, Sally, is 44 centimeters. Now, this stuff is quite simple, I feel. There isn't really anything new here. Pretty simple. All right, we're going to do an exercise, and I want to give you guys a couple of minutes, okay? And here's what we're going to do. You're going to take out your Watobe book or whatever it is that you write in, and you're going to write there. Okay, let's say, for instance, we're doing number 1. You're going to write number 1, P is equal to, and then you're going to tally up all the sides. You're going to go 10 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters, plus 10 centimeters. And then you're going to go, therefore, our favorite word, therefore, P is equal to, and you're going to add everything up together, 44 centimeters. Oh, hi, Keisha. Congratulations, you made our leaderboard. You're very late, so you won't be able to see it, but welcome. Welcome. All right, I need you guys to write this perimeter in this order, okay? This order is very important, and the reason why I want us to do it in this order is because we're not only going to get things as simple as squares and rectangles. We're going to come to a point where we're looking at shapes that have 7 sides or 11 sides. And if you cannot keep up with every single one of those sides and you're just adding in your head, you're going to miss a side. So I need you guys to write it down in that order. Okay, good. Irregular shapes. It's not 44. Thank you, Teacher Cat. It's actually 40. You know what I meant. You know what I meant, Teacher Cat. 40 centimeters. There we go. The mathematicians in us can't let it go. I can see. All right. Okay, we're going to do a quick exercise. Are we ready? Okay. We're going to do numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once we're done, please type done in the chat. Done. And choose whatever emoji you want in the chat. And remember, guys, we do this once, just once. Okay. Do not put the answers in the chat. I want to give everyone a chance to do these questions. Pay particular attention to number 4 or number 2 and number 4. If you get stuck with number 2, skip number 2 and go to number 3. And if you get stuck with number 4, hold on. We're going to talk about them in just a bit. Okay. I'm going to give everybody until 7:21. I'm going to give you guys 4 minutes. Go for it.
5:21. That's for 7, Teacher Coco.
Oh, it's because my watch says 17.
Yeah, 17. I get it. I get it.
Sorry, guys. 5. Otherwise, I would have given you guys 2 hours and 4 minutes, and that's not, no. It's not that bad, Sally. I'm glad you think so. Hi, Mbali, my sweetie. How can I help?
Ma'am, I wanted to ask about question 2 and question 4.
Yes.
You see, ma'am, the other sides don't have numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So we only calculate these 2.
No. Think about, I'll give you a hint, Mbali. Think about what kind of shape you're calculating for. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Think
Okay,
about
ma'am.
it and then see what you're going to do. You need to calculate for all 4 sides, but think about the idea that you're calculating for a certain type of shape. Hello, Mbali. Another Mbali. Hi. Welcome. So great to see you. We would have given you a nice big Watobe welcome. There we go. Thank you, Teacher Kat. Okay, a lot of you seem to be done. Well, I'll wait a little bit longer. There are 22 of us in this class, so I'm going to expect 22 dones in the chat. Okay. Nandile, if you raise your hand, yes, you can do number 1. Mbali, if you've just joined us, just give us 1 more minute and then we're going to explain what we're doing. Okay, just hold on for me for 1 more minute. That's okay, Mbali. Okay, I'll give you 1 more minute. Thanks, Timber. All right, guys. Okay. All right. So let's look at the answers. Okay. Landile, I believe you said you wanted to go first. Is your hand up, my sweetie? Let's have a look. All right. So tell us, what is my perimeter going to be? And remember the way we need to write it. Okay. What am I going to say first?
Therefore.
Oh, we can't start with the therefore. No, what must we start with?
P equals to
Good. P is equal to, go for it.
51 centimeters.
Oh, we've missed a step. We've skipped a step. No. You skipped a step. Remember, Landile, we need to add them all up together. So we need to go P is equal to 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 13 centimeters, all of them together. Okay.
Okay.
And the reason I want you to do this is because I'm going to show you guys some really, really tricky polygons. And you need to be able to remember all of them. So it's easier for you to write them all down. Now you can say, therefore, Landile, go for it. Therefore, finish up for me, Landile.
Hello?
Hello.
Okay. Therefore, P equals to 51 centimeters.
Good, 51 centimeters. Excellent. Very well done. I know you can do it. I just need you to follow the steps. Okay. Excellent stuff. Tetelo, do you want to do number 2 for us and explain to us how we do number 2? All right, explain.
P equals 23 meters plus 12 meters plus 23 meters plus 12 meters, which is perimeter.
Good. Therefore,
Therefore, the perimeter equals to 70 meters.
70 meters. Well done. Where did you get this other 23 meters and this other 12 meters, my darling? Explain that to me.
Well, so on my paper, I wrote 23 plus 12, but then I realized since it's a rectangle, and then I thought maybe I should say all the sides because.
Of course, we have to. Tetelo, remember, what do we know about the opposite sides of a rectangle? What do we know about this side of the rectangle and this side of the rectangle?
They're equal.
They're equal. Good. Which means if I want to buy a ribbon for the outside of my shape, then I have to go 23 meters on this side. And what about the side over here on the left? What about the side over here?
It's 12 meters.
Excellent. It's 12 meters. There we go. And that's how we know, because it's a rectangle, we know that all the sides are going to be, all the opposite sides are going to be the same length. Very well done, Tetelo. Excellent stuff.
Thank you.
Excellent. All right, Google it. Let's do number 3. So if you want to do number 4, you're going to have to put your hand up for me, please, my sweetie. All right. Let me just move down a little bit. Oh, no, I don't want to give it away. Okay, let's do number 3 quickly. I'm going to do it inside the shape. Tell me, what do I write?
Perimeter P is equals to 14 centimeter
Good.
plus 14 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 6 centimeter again.
Good.
And plus 9 centimeter.
Plus 9 centimeters. Excellent. What comes next?
P is equals to 49 centimeters.
That's good, Guguletu, but don't forget, I'm very, very, very strict. I need that therefore.
Therefore,
Mm,
P is equals to
therefore,
49 centimeters.
Excellent, good. Okay. I always want that therefore there. Okay. You guys
Yes,
will
ma'am.
thank me later when you get to high school and your teachers are using therefore everywhere, and you guys will be like, I remember Teacher Coco told us about therefore. Okay, well done. All right. Those of you who are like, ma'am, can I please answer the next one? Can I please answer the next one? I need you guys to please raise your hands in the reactions. We're going to be doing a lot more of these. Okay, I said, do you want to do number 4 with us? Let's do number 4.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Tell me, what am I going to write?
P equals 26 centimeters.
Good. Not centimeters.
I mean meters, plus
Good.
26 meters,
Plus 26 meters. Excellent.
plus 10 meters,
Plus 10 meters.
plus 10 meters.
Plus 10 meters. Excellent. How did we get these other 26s and these other 10s?
The sides are equal.
Good. Why are they equal? Because my shape is?
A rectangle.
It's a rectangle. I'm testing you. I know you know. I know you know. All right. Therefore, go for it.
Therefore, it's P equals 72 meters.
Good. 72 meters. Very well done, Asen. So easy for you. Very glad. Awesome stuff. All right, guys. Now we're going to step it up a little bit. Okay. Step it up. Mbali, if you're a little stuck, can I ask you to please either DM Teacher Cat or put your question in the chat so that we can help you out. Okay. Don't be afraid to ask questions in the chat as well. We'll be able to help you. All right, let's look at number 5, 6, and number 7. Okay. Now, sure. Now we've got funky things happening. Now, I know we can all answer number 7, right? Number 7 is pretty easy. They give us all the sides. Easy stuff. But does anybody have any idea how we can answer number 5? Can anybody tell me what's going on in number 5? Like, ma'am, yo. Khomotso, what do you think?
But ma'am, number 5 has equal sides.
Good, okay, yeah, but then which sides are equal to what?
Ma'am, all sides are equal to 15 centimeter.
Okay, so this side is 15 centimeters and this side is 15 centimeters, like that.
Yes, ma'am, because they're all equal sides, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I'm going to ask in the chat. Does everybody agree with Khomotso? Yes or no, guys?
But ma'am,
Silas
how is it possible that 23 and 50?
Now he's caught on. Oh, now is he figuring out that something isn't quite.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's give it a little bit more of a think. Let's see if Guguletu can help us with this one. Guguletu, what do you think?
Ma'am, I think the opposite side where there is 23 centimeters, it's also 23.
Okay, so are we talking about the side here, 23 centimeters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Even all the sides except for this one underneath 15 centimeters. That one is 15 centimeters.
Okay, so the one here at the bottom is 15 centimeters. Is that what we're saying?
Yes, ma'am. And then this other side, I think it's also 23.
Okay, 23 centimeters. 23 centimeters. Let's see if everyone, do you guys agree? Everybody agree with Guguletu? Let's just wait and see. Guguletu, your fate hangs in the balance. Oh, Lingomso says yes, and Silas says yes. Titelo's like, kind of. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask Titelo what he means by kind of. Guys, Keisha, thank you. I just realized, maybe Guguletu, this is why nobody agrees with you, because I'm writing 2 centimeters instead of 23 centimeters. Thank you, Keisha. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. Ditelo, why do you say kind of agree?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, okay. So, ma'am, I do agree. It just glitched now. It just glitched
Oh,
now.
okay. That's okay. That's okay, my sweetie. All right, excellent. Okay, so can I ask you guys to calculate the perimeter for me? Let's calculate the perimeter of 5. Think about what we looked at when we were looking at 5 and look at in the information they've given you in 6 and see if you guys can figure it out. Mbali, don't put that hand down. You're going to give me the answer for number 5. Okay. Just give me a done or a thumbs up in the chat when you're done, guys, so I know that I can move on. Asa says he's done. Anyone else? We'll let you as well. Excellent, Keisha. Thank you, Ulungile. Hello, Ulungile. I think you may have come in just a little bit late because I didn't have, it's the first time I'm seeing you. Awesome, Sila. Excellent. All right, I'm going to give it 1 more minute and then we'll get going. Thanks, Iminati. Awesome, Samila. Thanks, Maria, as well. Few more seconds, guys. Okay, I'm going to call it. All right, Mbali, let's talk about number 5. Okay, tell me, what am I going to write for number 5?
Ma'am, for number 5, you're going to say 15.
How do we start? We don't just start with 15 out of the blue.
Oh, ma'am, you're going to say P equals to 15 plus 15.
15 centimeters. Don't forget the centimeters, plus 15 centimeters. Good. Continue.
Plus 23 centimeters.
Good.
23 centimeters.
Good. Plus 23 centimeters. Keep going.
23 centimeters.
Good. And
23, the last 23 centimeters.
okay, another one.
Therefore,
okay, good.
Therefore, our answer is equals to P equals to 122.
122 donkeys, cats, apples. 122 what, Mbali?
Ribbons.
No, 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 my sweetie. What are we measuring in?
Centimeter.
Measuring in centimeters. Good. Thought I lost you there for a second. We're measuring in centimeters, my sweetie. Okay, good job. All right. That's excellent. Lingomso, I'm going to ask you to answer number 7 for me, and then we're going to have a bit of a chat about number 8. I mean, number 6, not number 8, number 6. Lingomso, do you want to unmute and do number 7 for me? It's quite easy.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Tell me, what am I writing?
For number 7, it's 11
We
centimeters.
start. How do we start?
P equals to
Good.
11 centimeters
Good.
plus 15 centimeters
Good.
plus 15 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
and plus 18 centimeters.
Good. Plus 18 centimeters. And how much does that give us? What do I write next?
Therefore, our answer is P equals to 59 centimeters.
59. Yes. Okay, I agree. 59 centimeters. So easy. Hey, Lingomso. Very, very
Yes, ma'am.
easy. Excellent. I agree. All right. I want everyone to type the answer for number 6 in the chat for me, because I know you guys know the answer to number 6. Can you guys put the answer to number 6 in the chat for me? Keisha says 90 centimeters. Okay. I don't know how we got 90 centimeters though. Somebody's going to have to explain that to me. Yes, Titila, for number 6. Okay, Ulungile says 59. Titila says 180. Google says 180. Lingomso says 180. Okay, I'm getting conflicting answers, guys, but we're going to discuss this quickly. Okay, all right. So our drawing says here that 18 centimeters. That's all it says, 18 centimeters. And then the next bit of information they give us is that all sides are equal, right? All the sides are equal. So if one of the sides is 18 centimeters, guys, 18 centimeters, that means all the sides are 18 centimeters. Now, tell me in the chat, guys, how many sides do I have? Count them up for me. How many sides does my star have? Thanks, Guletu. So Mila, look again. How many sides do we have? All right, we're gonna count them up quickly. I think you guys may be calculating the sides a little weird. I kind of see where you guys got the 5 from, but I don't think you guys are doing it correctly. If each of the sides is 18, what I need to be looking at is that is one side, and that is one side, and that is one side. That's one side. That's one side. Count them up, guys. How many sides do I have? Let's look at it again. There we go, Keisha. Okay. Good, guys. We've got 10 sides. Okay. Now, if I have 10 sides and each side or all the sides are equal at 18 centimeters, how much is my perimeter going to be? Thank you, Keisha. I know I'm not talking to just one person in the class or two. Come on, guys. Don't forget your P is equal to. Thank you, Asef. Bukang, remember you need to count up how many sides we have. Okay, good, Samila. Good, we have 10 sides, Bukang. Excellent, guys. Okay, so now that we know we have 10 sides, right? We have 10 sides. And each side is 18 centimeters long. Guys, I'm not going to sit here and write out 10, 18 centimeters. I'm not going to be like 18 centimeters plus 18 centimeters plus 18 centimeters. I'm not going to do that 10 times. Well done, Keisha, you've caught on. Okay, I'm not going to do that many times, but I know that I have 10 sides that are exactly the same. So I can say that I have 10 sides of 18 centimeters. And I can just multiply 10 by 18 centimeters. And that's going to give me, therefore, P is equal to 10 times 18 is 180 centimeters. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How do we feel about calculating polygons with the same or equal sides?